Okay, so the fact that the teacher's not going to repeat any names is what makes this dependent, because once a name is called, then that changes the probability for the next name being called. All right, so at this point, you know that there are 16 boys and 19 girls in the class. So that means there are 35 students in the class. So for the first name to be called, it says, what is the probability that the first student called is a boy? Well, there's 16 boys in the class, and there's 35 students in the class. So it's 16 out of 35, right? The boy that is called can't be called again. So then we're going to adjust the probability for the second name to be called. The second name is also a boy. So that's going to be out of 34 because now there's one student missing, the one that has already been called. And since one of those was a boy, now there's only 15 boys left for that second name to be called. So that'll be 15 out of 34. And then what is the probability then that the third name is a girl? So there's only 33 students left that can be called, but all 19 girls haven't been called yet, so it would be 19 out of 33. Okay. What is the probability that those three things happen in a row? We're going to multiply them together. All right. And then that's going to be the answer to this question. There's no subtracting or anything else after that. It's just multiply those three separate probabilities together. All right. So let's clear this out. First one was 16 out of 35. The second probability was then, well, I just want to make sure I'm not typing the wrong thing in. 15 out of 34. And then the last one was 19 out of 33. All right, so the probability that those three things happen in that way is this 0.116. What was the round to the nearest thousandth? So the nearest thousandth would be the third decimal, so it would be 0.116. All right, so the answer to this one would be 116. Okay, all right, send me more questions.